Good morning, all the students. Today I start the first lecture of SEM subject physics. The name of paper, it is the paper 1. Name of paper 1 is element of modern physics. Before starting the syllabus, up to SEM 5th, we study discipline specific core. What is meaning of discipline specific core? In your syllabus up to SEM 4 mention compulsory theory paper, that is only 2 paper. But in SEM 5th we study discipline specific elective. Elective means optional. Therefore, in your syllabus the theory paper, this is the first paper, and paper 2 is modern physics. Not modern physics, it is the solid state physics. Fourth paper, this is the third paper, that is medical physics. Fourth paper is mathematical physics. The code of first paper is undergraduate science discipline specific elective physics theory 9. Same way, the code of second paper is UAD AC PhD 10, then UAD AC PhD 11 and USD AC PhD 12. But out of these 4 papers, we select first 2 papers because in the workshop of board of study, the decided take each college take first 2 theory paper, first paper and second paper. Then we know mark distribution in the BSc, the on physics 150 marks. Out of this 150 marks, on 2 theory paper 100 mark, each paper consists 50 marks, first paper, second paper theory. Then the internal assignment, internal mark, the 10 of each paper plus 30 marks practical. Then the internal assignment mark included in theory. That means in BSc 120 marks theory and 30 marks practical. In exam, theory separate passing, practical separate passing, and in BSc course the 40% passing. Therefore, out of this 120, for passing we got the 48 marks out of 120. And in practical, the 12 marks out of 30. Then in practical, we know practical consists 9 mark plus 9 mark on each group experiment, 6 mark Viva and 6 mark theory. we know passing 12 mark. Then the question papers of theory paper are same as up to SEM 4. That is the question paper pattern of SEM 1 to SEM 6 are same. That means the question paper consists 5 question: question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5. Each question carry equal mark, that is the 10 mark. First question on unit 1, because each theory paper consists 4 unit. Question 2 on second unit, question 3rd on 3rd unit, question 4th on 4th unit. In question 5th, the solve any 10 question. Solve any 10 question. And the 3 question asked on each unit. That means when you study or when you study the thoroughly one unit in exam, how many marks question? 10 mark plus 3 mark. That means the 13 mark question asked in exam on each unit. Passing mark 48. Out of 48, the 20 marks internal assignment. Only 28 mark required for minimum passing, and on each unit ask question 13 marks. Therefore, when we study only 3 unit for passing mark, minimum passing mark, keep in mind, we obtain the passing mark. Then in SEM 5th introduce one new course, that is skill enhancement course. Skill enhancement course. On skill enhancement course, the code of skill enhancement course is again USD skill enhancement course. Here 1 or 2, because in your syllabus mention the 2 courses, skill enhancement 2 courses, first and second. Out of these 2, the select one skill enhancement course. It is the project based course. Here and on this skill enhancement course, assessment is taking the 15 marks. This not 15, it is the 50. This 50 mark distributed 70% of 50 marks, that is the 35 marks on practical, on project, plus 30%, that is the 15 marks on theory. The project, on project 35 marks, that is the practical work. (20 marks), practical record or project record, that is the 8 mark, and Viva in exam, that is 7 mark. For this 15 mark, the on theory, skill enhancement course again consists the 4 unit, and on these 4 unit, the ask 30 objective multiple choice question, and each question carry half mark, and in this way the obtain assessment of 15 marks that is the project 35 marks, and the theory, that is the objective multiple choice question, that is the 30 question. On the 30 question 15 marks, total 50 marks, and the related to 50 marks allotted grade of skill enhancement course. In such way, in SEM 5th the study the elective subject, up to SEM 4 study the core subject, and in next period start the syllabus of element of modern physics, that is the first paper of SEM 5th and today's top year.